Isang panibagong institusyon ng mag-aalok ng dekalidad na edukasyon para sa mga bata kung saan magiging katuwang mismo ng paaralan ng mga magulang sa pagpapalaki at paghubog ng kanilang karakter. Upang simulan ang misyong ito, formal nang binuksan ng kanilang pintuan sa publiko. Isinagawa ang blessing ng Parents for Education Foundation Incorporated o PAREF Preschool Greenfields, Pampanga na matatagpuan sa Greenfield Square, MacArthur Highway, City of San Fernando, nitong Sabado, August 22. Pinangunahan ni Most Reverend Florentino Lavarias at iba pang mga pari ang pagbabasbas sa mga pasilidad kasama ng PAREF officials at ang Briones family na kanilang partners, mga kawani ng eskwelahan at iba pang mga bisita. Bago ang pagbibindisyon, nag-ribbon cutting muna para sa opisyal na magbubukas ang paaralan na isinagawa ni DepEd SDO CSFP Superintendent Dr. Shirley Zibagan at PAREF Chairman Danny Moran. Nag-unveiling din ng marker bilang tanda ng inaugurasyon ng paaralan at nagmisa rin sa okasyon na itinaon sa Feast of the Queenship of the Blessed Virgin Mary na inihatid ng Arsobispo. Ayon sa mag-asawang Dr. Monet at Engineer Adrian Briones na partner ng PAREF, katuparan ng panibagong paaralan ng isang matagal ng pangarap para sa mga pamilyang Kapampangan.
Because for years, families here who wanted the PAREF education had to travel all the way to Metro Manila. PAREF Greenfields is the first PAREF school north of Metro Manila. A gift to every Kapampangan family who dream of this but never thought it possible. Ngayon, nandito na po ito sa Pampanga natin.
There are two things that make this especially clear. First, this location would probably not have been chosen during the early stages of our planning because the property was not yet available for sale. We would most likely have built it somewhere else. Second, the many years of delay must have given Monet the time she needed to prepare the substantial funding required for this project.
Ayon naman kay PAREF Chairman Danny Moran, ang dedikasyon at napatunayang track record ng Briones family sa komunidad ang nagtulak sa kanila na dalhin ang eskwelahan sa Pampanga.
They were very persistent that they really wanted to put up a PAREF school. And then after seeing the development, they actually have a college, they have a hospital. So I felt that they were successful in building at least their own businesses. And if there was somebody that I felt had the heart, had the spirit, and was, I would say, committed, they had it. I mean, the couple was the right, I would say, partner to deal with in setting up something here in Pampanga. They're local, they understand the market, and I would say their commitment and dedication in the development was unquestionable.
Binigyang din ni Moran na nananatiling pangunahing pundasyon ng PAREF ang paggabay sa buong pamilya at hindi sa mag-aaral lamang.
We pay very much attention to the development of parents to be properly formed also, so they can also form their children. So, because they are still the primary educator of the child, the entire development of the child comes from initially the home, and the school is supposed to complement that with the education.
Ibinaliwanag naman ni Dr. Lexi Estacio, Executive Director ng PAREF Preschool Greenfields, Pampanga, na ibabatay ang kanilang pagtuturo sa tinatawag na balanced curriculum.
PAREF practices or uses the balanced curriculum, but this balanced curriculum is inspired by the teachings of Saint Jose Maria Escriva. So two principles. The first one is we focus on the integral formation of the children. And the second is we see the parents as the primary educators of their children. We make sure that we consider the uniqueness of the children, their unique needs, their learning styles, their preferences. But at the same time, we also give importance to the value of tradition.
All set na rin daw ang facilities ng eskwelahan at tiniyak din ng pamunuan na prioridad ang kaligtasan ng mga bata sa loob ng campus sa tulong ng mga makabagong sistema.
Actually, when they visit here, makikita nila we have our security and safety systems intact. Meron kaming RFID system, makikita nyo na hindi pwedeng basta-basta sinong pumasok. And then our classrooms are designed in such a way na they can really roam around, na hindi sila masasaktan or mahihirapan mag-explore. So lahat yan na naisip na namin, na iplano na. We also have CCTVs around the campus to ensure that yung safety and security of the children will be prioritized.
Bilang alumnus at isa sa mga pioneer teacher ng paaralan, binigyang diin naman ni Teacher Bel Cordero na bukod sa akademya, mahalaga ring may tanim sa mga bata ang tamang values at virtues sa kanilang foundational years. Kaugnay niyan, iba't ibang paraan daw ng pagtuturo ang kanyang isasagawa batay sa pangangailangan ng mga bata.
Academics, you can learn that in many other schools. But here in Paref, we really do believe that integral formation is our top priority. So if I'm in the classroom, when I do my lesson plans, I don't only think of the cognitive perspective of the child. More importantly, their social, their emotional, their values, and their virtues. Because those are the ones that will help them stay grounded once you let them out of the school. So it's not only a matter of being smart, it's a matter of standing by who they are, what they learn in Paref, and what good they can do.
Hindi raw maiiwasan ang pagkakaroon ng problema sa classroom, kaya mahalaga raw na magkaroon ng magandang relasyon sa mga magulang at sa mga bata.
In all schools that you go to, there will always be children who are naughty. There will always be parents who do not want to cooperate with you. But personally, it's building a relationship with them. When you're able to build a friendship with them, when they trust you, hopefully things will go smoothly. As a teacher, you shouldn't feel superior over the parents. You're supposed to be with them, going through this journey with them. They have to feel that support from you, not like, oh, mommy, mali yan, hindi dapat ganyan. But it's more of really that collaboration.
Para sa mga magulang na nais malaman ang mga programa ng eskwelahan, bukas na ang tanggapan ng Paref Preschool Greenfields, Pampanga sa Greenfield Square, MacArthur Highway, City of San Fernando. Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV 36 News.